Hi there everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video we will learn some basic settings required to start an online teaching. Open your browser, go to zoom.us, click on sign in, enter your email address and password. Once you log in, click on settings. There are a few settings you need to change. Here, the first two options, host video and participants video, must remain off. As you scroll down, you can turn on the mute participants upon entry option, which will allow all the students to remain silent. In chat section, you can turn off private chat so that students will not be able to chat privately. Again, in screen sharing section, you can turn on all participants can share the screen, which will help the teachers to share. Even though teacher is not a host, the teacher can share the screen if there is any network issue. Now, annotation is a tool which will allow all the participants to interact with the screen, especially to highlight a particular area of a screen or to draw something on a screen if the screen share option is on. So the annotation option must remain off. And the last option here we have is hide participant profile pictures in a meeting. This option is optional. You can turn it on or off as per your choice. So here we have finished with all the basic settings. By default, all these settings will be applied whenever you schedule a meeting for the students. Now let us sign out and log into the Zoom application. Open the Zoom app. Use your username and password to log in. Once you are logged into the Zoom application, this is the default screen you can see on your computer. On a home tab, you will find 4 options. First is new meeting, which can allow you to start a session immediately. Second option is join meeting. If you have meeting ID and password or invitation link, you can join the session. Third option is schedule, where you can schedule a meeting for a particular class. And the last option is share screen, where you can join a meeting to share your device screen. Now let us see how to schedule a meeting. Click on schedule meeting. For example, let us schedule a meeting for class 3rd, division C and D, and subject Hindi. You can click on start to select a date. You can select a timing. In duration section, you can select up to 30 minutes. If you are hosting a meeting daily, you can click on recurring meeting. In video section, host and participants video must remain off. In calendar section, select other calendars. Click on advanced option. In advanced option, enable automatically record meeting on the local computer, which will help you to start recording the session the moment you start the meeting. Now click on schedule. Once you schedule the meeting, this is the invitation you will find. You can copy it using copy to clipboard option, and you can share to your students to start the meeting. Now let us see how to host a meeting. click on Meetings tab. Under the Meetings tab, you'll find all upcoming meetings. As you can see, I have enabled recurring meeting option for all the meetings, which will help me to manually host meetings anytime, any day. Now let us see how to host a meeting. Before hosting a meeting, we should send the invitation link to all the students. For that, the best way is to create a WhatsApp group of a particular class where all the students will be added. Then you can select a meeting which you are hosting. Next, you have to copy the invitation link. Once you copy the invitation link, open the WhatsApp. Using WhatsApp, you can share the link to the students. Once you have shared the link to the students, click on Start. Once you start the meeting, click on Participants to see the list of students. As the students join the link, you will find the list of students in the Participants window. Now here we have one student joining. You can click on Admit to allow the students to join. Now let us see few basic options available during the online session. At the bottom left corner, you will find option to mute yourself, to start your own video. Then you will find security option. If you click on Security tab, you can lock the meeting. This option is available once all the students are connected to the meeting. You can lock the meeting and you can stop allowing other participants to join the meeting. Then you can allow the participants to do the following things like share screen, chat, rename themselves. If you click on chat option, you will find all the participants who have sent the message in the chat option. Bottom right corner, if you click on more, you will find 3 options available. You can stop chat for everyone. You can allow the students to chat with host only, and also you can allow the students to chat publicly. Next we have share screen. If you click on share screen, you will find few various options. You can select the screen, or you can select the folder. You can share the whiteboard. You can use whiteboard to draw symbols, to enter the text. Also you can format the text. At last, attendance is important. The best way to take the attendance of a students on a Zoom app is, in chat section you can ask the students to type their full name and send. Once the meeting is over, you will find all the chat will be saved in a text file, which will make us teachers easy to mark the attendance of our students. Now let us end the meeting. Click on End. End meeting for all. The meeting will be ended. Once the meeting ends, the Zoom app will start converting the recording, which will take few moments to finish.
A few moments later.
Once the conversion is finished, the recording folder will open. In this folder you will find all the recorded files, which will include the chat. If you open the chat, you can find students' name for the attendance, which will make teachers easy to mark the attendance. Also, you can find the video and audio files, which you can share to the students. Here we have learned how to host online teaching sessions and how to manage the online session in a Zoom app. Thank you so much for watching the video. God bless you. God bless India.
How you like it now?